Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Alan. Alan writes from Edgewater, New Jersey. And Alan writes, I've been saving money for a down payment to buy a condo. I talked to someone at my bank and also to a mortgage guy, and I got two different interest rate quotes. How do I make sure I get the lowest mortgage interest rate? Well, Alan, by approaching more than one financing source, you're already on the right track. So well done. What I'm going to do is give you 3 tips for getting the lowest mortgage interest rate when you buy a home or a condominium. The first thing is to shop around, which is what you're already doing, so well done. When mortgage rates go up, as they have recently, there's usually a bigger spread between the interest rates that different lenders will offer borrowers, because some lenders will increase their interest rates to increase their profit per transaction, while others will try to offer lower interest rates in order to gain more market share and do more transactions. So shop around, it's a good idea, not just in terms of getting a mortgage, but in most things. But in this case, it certainly helps. It'll help you get a lower mortgage interest rate. The second tip is to consider an adjustable rate mortgage. So typically, adjustable rate mortgages carry a lower initial interest rate than fixed rate mortgages do. So that's one way to get a lower interest rate. However, adjustable rate mortgages are riskier because when the interest rate resets, if interest rates go up from where they are now, you could end up with a higher mortgage payment. So adjustable rate mortgages are probably not a good idea for most home buyers, and certainly not for most first-time home buyers. However, if you can take on the risk and have the financial wherewithal to deal with a higher mortgage payment if interest rates don't go your way when your adjustable rate mortgage resets, you may want to consider an adjustable rate mortgage. And the third tip for lowering your mortgage interest rate when you buy, if you buy a new home, ask the builder to pay down your mortgage interest rate. So builders normally pay interest on the money that they borrow to build. So they're anxious to sell off all their housing units when their construction project is completed in order to reduce their costs and maximize their profit. So thanks for your question, Alan. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.